Okay. It's creepy.
It is. I hate it when mouths don't move when you talk.
I can't take her seriously. Don't you have a white coat so you can just say it's a lab? I can't breathe in it. I remember the first time I came here, this thing was under construction.
I cleaned it just a couple of days ago on my break.
Whoa!
Oh my god, you have Guitar Hero. Let's play when we're done. If it works. I love Guitar Hero.
I know.
This one's for the video.
Wait, so I'll use the mask and I'll make like a
Yeah.
I'll make a fake mustache or something.
Oh yeah, and vet affects my feet.